Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I am sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 73 as I'll be continuing with Unit 16, Simple Past Tense. Students, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 73 as I'll be continuing with Unit 16, Simple Past Tense. Students, in my last video, I had explained the three form of sentences which we are going to do in the simple past tense. The assertive sentence in the past tense, the interrogative sentence in the past tense and the negative sentence in the past tense. You need to keep in mind that when we frame the assertive sentence in the past tense, the verb has to be changed in the past form. Whereas in the negative sentence, we need to use did not in the sentence. And in the interrogative sentence, children, we need to start the questions with did and at the end question mark. Now students, I was explaining you certain rules to change the root form of the verb to the past tense. Now the first rule which I had explained in my last video was that we add d or ed to most of the verbs to change their forms to past form. Then the second rule was we double the last letter and add ed to many words with single syllables to change their form. Then the third rule is we remove y and add id to many words to change their form. So we had done the three rules in my last video, है ना बेटा? The first rule says कि बहुत सारे root form of verbs में या तो हम d लगाते हैं या ed add करते हैं. Then the second rule says that जो single syllable वाले words होते हैं उनमें हम जो last consonant है उसको double करके ed लगाते हैं to form the past form. And rule number 3 says that verbs जिनके end में y होता है we remove the y and add id in place of y. And now I'm going to start with the fourth rule. And the fourth rule is some words don't follow any such rule. कुछ बेटा वर्ब्स हैं जो कोई भी रूल फॉलो नहीं करते. Now the examples are ये आपको लर्न करनी पड़ेगी. Like come, the past tense of come is came. Then go, the past tense of go is went, है ना? कुछ रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब्स हैं जो कोई भी रूल फॉलो नहीं करते एंड देयर पास्ट टेंस इज एंटायरली डिफरेंट. उनका जो पास्ट फॉर्म है वो एकदम डिफरेंट. देयर ईट is ate, keep becomes kept in past form. Then buy, buy, buy is bought. Then catch becomes caught. Bring, the past form is brought. Then teach, the past tense is taught. These words, they do not follow any rule. Then sell, the past form of sell is sold. Then the past tense of take is took. Write, the past form of write is wrote. Then tell, the past form of tell becomes told. Then see, the past form of see becomes saw. Find, the past form of find becomes found. Feel, the past form of feel is felt. And think, the past form of think is thought. So I have taken certain examples showing that there are certain verbs which do not follow any rule to change into past form. The first one, ये बेटा जो लेफ्ट साइड में वर्ड्स हैं वो रूट फॉर्म में है और जो राइट साइड में है इनके हाइफन के आगे दे आर इन दी पास्ट फॉर्म. कम becomes came in the past form. Then go becomes went. Eat, ate. Keep, kept. Buy, bought. Catch, caught. Bring, brought. Teach, taught. Sell, sold. Take, took. Write, wrote. Tell, told. See, saw. Find, found. Feel, felt. Think, thought. Now children, you need to learn these verbs and their past forms so that when you do the exercise, it will be easier for you to complete it. है ना? COME का क्या हो जाता है? CAME. कोई रूल ये वाले जो verbs है, they do not follow any rule to form their past forms. Go is WENT went. EAT eat becomes ATE, ate in the past tense. KEEP keep becomes KEPT, kept in the past tense. BUI buy becomes BOUGHT, bought in the past tense. CATCH catch becomes CAUGHT, caught in the past form. Then BRING bring becomes BROUGHT, brought. And TEACH teach becomes TAUGHT, taught. Then SELL becomes SOLD, sold in the past tense. Then TAKE take becomes TOOK, took in the past form. WRITE write, the past form is WROTE wrote. Then TELL tell, the past form is TOLD told. Then SWC is SAW saw in the past tense. FIND find is FOUND found in the past tense. Then FEEN feel becomes FELT felt in the past tense. Then THINK think is THOUGHT thought in the past form. So children, you must learn these past forms and you should keep in mind that these are certain verbs, root form of verbs. When they change into past form, they do not follow any rule. Fine. Now, the next rule is some words don't change their form in any tense. Beta, there are certain verbs which do not change their form in any tense. कोई भी tense हो बेटा, उसमें वो अपना form नहीं change करते. And the examples only. Whether in present tense or in past tense, कोई भी tense में cut remains cut only. Then put is put only in all the tenses. hurt remains hurt only in all the tenses. Then hit is hit only in all the tenses. Then read, yes, there is a little bit change when you pronounce this word. The spelling of read is read only, but read हम रूट फॉर्म में बोलते हैं प्रेजेंट टेंस में, एंड पास्ट टेंस में द स्पेलिंग रिमेन्स सेम बट द प्रोनाउंसिएशन बिकम्स रेड, है ना. जो READ है इसको हम पास्ट टेंस में RED वाले साउंड से प्रोनाउंस करेंगे, है ना. स्पेलिंग सेम रहेगी बट प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज डिफरेंट. READ रीड ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में है एंड READ दिस बिकम्स रेड इन द पास्ट टेंस. सो रीड read, read. You need to keep this in mind, children. Then the next verb is spread. SPREAD, spread, is spread only in the past tense as well. Then the next verb is SHUT, shut. Shut remains shut only in the past tense. And then the next word is SET, set. Set also remains SET, set in the past tense. So beta, ये कुछ verbs हैं which remain the same in all the tenses. You need to keep in mind, except for the verb READ, read. ये present tense में इसको read बोलते हैं, and past tense में how do you pronounce it? READ is pronounced as read. Though the spelling remains same, but the pronunciation differs. Present में read, past में read. So please keep this in mind, and these are certain verbs which do not change in any form. Cut remains cut only, put remains put only, hurt, HURT, hurt remains hurt only, HIT, hit remains hit only, READ, read becomes read, though the spelling remains the same. Then SPREAD, spread, is spread only. Then SHUT, shut, is shut only in all the tenses, and SET, set, is set only in all the tenses. So I hope all of you have revised how to change the root form of verb to the past tense. Now students, I am going to start with exercise 1 given on page number 73. That is complete the table. And बेटा ये जो भी हमने रूल्स रिवाइज किए हैं इसी के बेसिस पे ये एक्सरसाइज है. फाइन. So if you remember the rules, you will be easily able to solve this exercise. So please open your books to page number 73. Now, exercise 1 is complete the table. Now, the root form of verb and the past form of verb. Then again the root form of verb and then the past form of verb. Now, अब बेटा कुछ रूट फॉर्म्स दिए हैं, उनके हमको पास्ट फॉर्म्स लिखने हैं. फाइन. सो I hope all of you have turned to page number 73. The first root form of verb is do. बेटा do का जो past form of verb है वो क्या है? Did. So do is did. Do का past form क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Did. Do did, है ना? ये जो भी हम past forms लिख रहे हैं, please learn these forms so that it will be very helpful for you. Now, the second one is come. Come का बेटा जो past form है that is came. C-A-M-E-K. Do becomes did in the past form. Come becomes came. Then the third word is drink. Drink का बेटा जो past form है that is drank. Drink, drank. Drink, drank. Now, the fourth one, please turn the page, children. The fourth one, the past form is given and इसमें बेटा ड्राइंक दिया हुआ है एंड हमको अंडरलाइन करना है ड्रिंक, है ना. सो हियर नाउ द फोर्थ वन कॉट दिया है, तो कॉट का रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब क्या है बेटा? कैच. कॉट का क्या है? कैच. राइट. C-A-T-C-H. कैच. कॉट पास्ट फॉर्म है एंड बेटा कोई भी दोनों में से either the root form of the verb will be given, so you have to write the past form, or either the past form of the verb will be given, so you have to write the root form. So vice versa you need to learn. Then the fifth root form of verb teach is there and you need to write the past form of the verb teach, and the past form of teach is taught. T-A-U-G-H-T. taught. T-A-U-G-H-T. taught. Then the sixth one C-S-E-E. we need to write the past form of the word see. तो see का past form क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? saw. S-A-W. saw. एंड बेटा ये जो वर्ड्स हैं जो कोई रूल फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, मैक्सिमम ये वही वर्ड्स हैं विच डू नॉट फॉलो एनी रूल. देन द सेवेंथ वन वेंट इज गिवन, दैट्स द पास्ट फॉर्म एंड वी नीड टू राइट द रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वेंट. तो वेंट का रूट फॉर्म क्या है बेटा? गो. वेंट, गो. देन द एट्थ वन बेटा the past form bought is given और bought का क्या हो जाता है बेटा? रूट फॉर्म B-U-Y. buy. अगेन तो स्टूडेंट्स यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड कि जब पास्ट फॉर्म दिया रहेगा यू नीड सपोज टू राइट द रूट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब और द रूट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब विल बी गिवन एंड यू आर सपोज टू राइट द पास्ट फॉर्म. सो डू बिकम्स डिड. The root form of verb do का क्या है? did. And you need to keep in mind कि बेटा did जो है past tense में जितने भी आपके negative sentences बनेंगे वो did not ही हम root form of verb के पहले लगा के बनाएंगे. जो interrogative sentences जो भी questions बनेंगे वो भी हम किससे form करेंगे बेटा? did से. तो did is very important in past tense. do का past क्या हो जाता है? did. come, came. come, came. drink, drank. drink, drank. catch, caught. catch, caught. teach, taught. teach, taught. see, saw. see, saw. go, went. buy, bought. अब बेटा let's read it the other way. did past form of verb है. did का जो root form of verb is do. came past form है, came का जो root form that is come. Drank is the past form, the root form of drank is drink. Caught is the past form, the root form of caught is catch. Taught is the past form, the root form of taught is teach. Saw is the past form, the root form of saw is see. Went is the past form, the root form is go. Bought is the past form, the root form is buy. Now this way. Do, did, come, came, drink, drank, catch, caught, teach, taught, see, saw, go, went, buy, bought. So children, please learn these. Now, the other side. The 9th one. Submit, is there, and you are supposed to write the past form of submit. Ab beta, past form of submit is submitted. S-U-B-M-I-T-T-E-D, submitted. Submit का past form क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Submitted. And in the spelling of submitted हम T को double करेंगे. So submitted. S-U-B-M-I-T-T-E-D. Then the 10th root form of verb. The past form is given earn. earn, इसमें से हम क्या रिमूव करेंगे बेटा? ed. तो हमारा रूट फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा? E-A-R-N, earn. E-A-R-N, earn. The past form is earned. E-A-R-N, earn. The past form is E-A-R-N-E-D, earned. Then the 11th one is give. Or give ka we are supposed to write the past form, and that is gave. Give, gave, give, gave. Now, please turn the page, children. Then, the 12th word is shine, or shine ka past tense is shone. S-H-O-N-E, shone. S-H-I-N-E, shine is the root form, and the past form is S-H-O-N-E, shone. Shine, shone. Shine, shone. Then the 13th one is, the past form is given wrote, and the root form of wrote is W-R-I-T-E, write. है ना? Write, wrote, wrote, write. You need to learn both the ways. Then the 14th one, again the past form sold is given. So the root form of sold is sell. Sell, sold, sold, sell. Then the 15th one, the root form 10 is given, and the past form of 10 is told. T-O-L-D, told. Then the last one is think. The root form think is given, and the past form of think is thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Now, let's revise. Submit is the root form. The past form is submitted. And in the spelling of submitted, children, we need to double the T and add ed. Then the 10th one is earn, E-A-R-N, earn. Earn becomes earn, E-A-R-N-E-D, earn. Then give is there, and the past form is G-A-V-E, gave. Give, gave. Then S-H-I-N-E, shine is there. The past form is shown, S-H-O-N-E, shown. Then the 13th one, W-R-I-T-E, write is there. The past form is W-R-O-T-E, wrote. Then S-E-double-L, sell is there. The past form is S-O-L-D, sold. Then T-E-double-L, tell is there. The past form is T-O-L-D, told. Then T-H-I-N-K, think. The past form is thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Now let's revise it the other way. Submitted is the past form, the root form is submit. Earned is the past form, the root form is earn. Gave is the past form, the root form is give. Shone is the past form, the root form is shine. Wrote is the past form, the root form is W-R-I-T-E, right? S-O-L-D, sold is the past form and the root form is S-E-L-L, sell. Then T-O-L-D, told is the past form and the root form is T-E-L-L, tell. T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought is the past form and the root form is think. So once again I'll revise and then I'm going to erase it. So root form do, past form did. Root form come becomes came in the past form. Drink is the root form becomes drank in the past form. Catch, caught. Teach, taught. See, saw, go, went, buy, bought, submit, submitted, earn, earned, give, gave, shine, shone, write, wrote, sell, sold, tell, told, think, thought. Fine. So children, please learn these past form of the given verbs. If you learn, it will be easier for you to solve the exercise. Now, I hope all of you have written. Now I'm going to erase this and then I'm going to start with exercise number 2. Now, in exercise 2, we need to complete the story by filling in the past forms of the given words in blank. है ना? बेटा एक स्टोरी दी है ना? मैं आपको but before that मैं आपको थोड़ा सा समझाना चाहूँगी. Fine. Now, before I start the exercise, I would like to explain this exercise. Fine. Now, let's for example, जैसे this is an example. Please do not write. Jack and John dash to, oh no, I need to write the go to a forest and just write it 2-3 lines so that the concept becomes clear to you. There they dash see a den. John dash, the verb root form given in the bracket is try to enter the den, but Jack dash stop him. This is just an example. मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ कि नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज आपको कैसे करनी है. Now story दी है and bracket में root form of verbs are there. Now we need to write the past form of the given verbs and then complete the story. So let's take this example. Jack and John dash to a forest and go. Go का जो past form है, what is that? That is went. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Went. तो हमारा सेंटेंस क्या होगा? Jack and John went to a forest There they see a den. See का past tense क्या होगा? Saw. John dash tried to enter. Try has got y at the end. So what we'll do? इसका past form हम कैसे form करेंगे? Y को remove करके ed लगा देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? Tried. John tried to enter the tent, but Jack dashed him. अब ये stop जो है सिंगल सिलेबल वाला वर्ब है, तो इसका जो पास्ट फॉर्म हम कैसे फॉर्म करेंगे? सिलेबल जो लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट है उसको डबल करेंगे और ईडी ऐड करेंगे, तो क्या हो जाएगा? स्टॉप. सो दिस इज द वे वी नीड टू डू एक्सरसाइज 2. So Jack and John went to a forest. There they saw a den. John tried to enter the den, but Jack stopped him. अब बेटा ये करने के लिए आपको सारे रूल्स पता होने चाहिए, दैट हाउ टू फॉर्म द पास्ट फॉर्म फ्रॉम द रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. So children, for today till here only. Now in my next video I'll be starting with exercise number 2 of unit 16. That's all for today children, but before I end, a small reminder, please learn and revise the past forms of the given verbs in the book. That's all for today. Thank you students. Have a good day ahead.